Welcome to 3064 Granny Smith in Kuna, Idaho. Beautiful single level. It's the Monterey floor plan built by CBH Homes, 2,100 plus square feet. Better than new, as it's fully fenced. Beautiful landscaping on a corner lot. Oversized corner lot, actually. All the blinds are installed and a few other nice things like full rain gutters, etc. on the home. One of the biggest features is the fact that it has true RV parking over here on the side of the house, which I'll show you in more detail here shortly, but nice and easy to pull into over here. Double gate, vinyl. Neighbor has an RV as well. But look at all that space. Nice and easy to back up, pull in there. And I'll show you that from the rear yard perspective as well. Nice wide driveway as well with the 3-car garage. Very neutral colors. Very elegant. 3064 Granny Smith. I love the accent stone. The nice white trim, the black door. And we'll head inside, and I would say this is pretty much my all-time favorite floor plan. Nice window up here at the front. It's pretty much the perfect floor plan. You've got the nice big office off the front, the neutral paint, the two-tone paint here with the white trim, nice big windows, vaulted ceiling in the, technically it can be a bedroom, but most people probably use it as an office. Big walk-in closet here. French doors. Laminate flooring through the entryway, which is great. And your coat closet, nice and convenient. And then over here you have a huge family room. 9-foot ceilings. Big open dining, beautiful kitchen area. And it's a split plan, so we have the master over here with additional linen closet area here, and 2 more bedrooms over there, and then the laundry off over here. But let's go first over to the master. It's also vaulted. The back of the home is facing south, so that's great for shade. Nice big master bedroom, approximately 15 by 15. Nice architectural touch here. The way that sticks out a little bit. You have the raised vanity with his and her sinks. Tile backsplash. You can see that closed toilet area here. The commode. And the nice big tub. The huge window there, again the 2.5-inch faux blinds. Has the sill over there as well. I like the fact that on the tub, this is set here instead of in the middle. And then you've got plenty of space here to climb in. Sometimes they put them in the middle and it makes it a little bit more difficult to get in and out of the bath. Then you have this big shower here as well, with a seat on both sides. Nice big shower head. And then you have this giant closet with built-ins. Fluorescent lighting, so it's nice and bright. Carpet's in amazing condition. Very lightly lived-in home. Couple that owned it traveled a lot, retired, and just took immaculate care of the property. And we'll head over here to my favorite area, the kitchen. Notice the laminate flooring in here. Plenty of room here for lots of chairs, bar seats. Beautiful cabinets. Those have the soft close. Stainless steel Frigidaire appliances, and the hardware is installed, which is nice. Beautiful sink here. Stainless steel electric range. And over here you have the big, pretty much a walk-in pantry. I believe the refrigerator is going to be negotiable. It's a Samsung, in excellent condition, with a lower freezer down there. Everything in like new condition here. Okay, over here, as you can notice, there's just plenty of room for your dining table, pretty much any size dining table. And we'll go into the first bedroom over here. Nice big oversized window on this model. Again, called the Monterey. There's your closet. We're looking at the backyard here. Pretty much zero landscaping needed on that. That's kind of blurry. Then you've got a linen closet right here. And your guest bathroom. Lots of counter space, light and bright, another window. Private commode. And the soaker tub combo there. Again, all the hardware in here is installed. And the other bedroom over here. This room looks out at the RV pad, which I'll take you outside now. Got to show you in the family room, you've got this beautiful fireplace and a built-in area for your entertainment center. Lots of windows, lots of light in here, ceiling fan. Just a great space. Any size furniture would pretty much fit in there as well. And one more thing before we head outside. This is the area heading out to the garage. You've got room here for additional shelves if you wanted them. This goes into the private laundry area here. Additional space over here on the side. The owners just moved out, and because in Idaho it can get below freezing, it's nice to keep your paint inside so you don't freeze your paint. One thing, because of when this home was built, they started doing was inset the dryer duct into the wall so that your dryer's not sticking out further than your washer, and it just makes it a lot easier to connect them. Very thoughtful. Last but not least, we'll get out here to the painted garage. It's just immaculate. Insulated garage doors. Lots of space out here. Very clean. There's your electric panel over there. Your water softener loop over here if you choose to install one. The water out here in Kuna is pretty darn good, so a lot of people don't have them. And here's your water heater that was installed in 2019. Okay, we're going to take you outside now. Got a couple of nice gentle steps heading out. Nice and quiet out here. Like I said, full vinyl fencing here. Nice extended concrete out here on the back patio. It is covered. Full rain gutters like I mentioned earlier. It's got the vented eaves also. The house is also 2x6 construction. Notice how they've done some conscientious things like extending the water away from the home. No grass back here, but you could certainly put some in if you wanted to. These owners just didn't want it. Retired, no pets, and this is just low maintenance. And you've got this huge RV pad back here. Nice and level, professionally done. You could tell concrete's been reinforced, very well thought out, even including putting in the drain spouts over here, or the drain holes. think that's about it. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact your agent. Or if you're not working with somebody, feel free to call me. And my number is 208-340-0000. I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group. You can also email me, Sean@rockidaho.com. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.